Be.
Be happy.
Have.
Have a good day.
Do.
Do the work.
Say.
Say, hello.
Get.
Get to work.
Make.
Make some food.
Go.
Go for a drive.
Know.
I know a lot.
Take.
Take a number.
See.
I can see.
Come.
Come to me.
Think.
I think so.
Look.
Look at that.
Want.
I want to eat.
Give.
Give me a gift.
Use.
Use a fork.
Find.
Find the answer.
Tell.
Tell your story.
Ask.
Ask a question.
Work.
I work hard.
Seem.
You seem lost.
Feel.
I feel happy.
Try.
Try again.
Leave.
I will leave.
Call.
Call me.
Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.